What is an angle more than a straight angle is called? Straight angle. This is 180. More than a straight angle. What is this angle called? Right, so an angle less than 90 is acute. More than 90 is obtuse. More than 90, less than 180. Right? We of course know right angle. 90 degrees is right angle. This angle is called a reflex angle. An angle greater than 180 degrees is called a reflex angle. This is a joyful, not acute, not obtuse. One angle cannot be a supplementary angles. When you have two angles, x and y, such that both of them add up to 180 degrees, then they are supplementary angles. You cannot say 70 degrees is a supplementary angle. You can say 70 and 110 are supplementary angles. When two angles add up to 180 degrees, they are supplementary angles.